Hey you, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Official Kid Reacts. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So guys, today I'll be reacting to Ferto by Akylas. Number 4, Akylas. And he's singing for Greece 2026. So my people, I'm here traversing from Jamaica to various parts of the world to learn and to educate about different diaspora in music apart from my Jamaican diaspora songs in terms of dancehall and reggae. So my people, with that being said, let's see what's up. Let's see what Akelas have in store for us today. So let's go. Okay. Whoa. I think I saw a comment where the comment is saying it's all about people wanting more and more. Right? That's what the comment says, all right? And I think this is actually a perfect example of what people, describe themselves to be. All right, people wanting more and more. We're living in a generation where people just keep on wanting more and more, and the more they get, the more they need. So it doesn't really matter what the scenario or the case may be. People always will want more based on what they receive, based on how they receive it. They always want more. If it's their preference and liking, then they will want more, right? So this is a very good way of explaining of how people, describe themselves of them wanting more, right? The world is huge, very huge place, and if you go somewhere different from our hometown or a country, and we can see that other people out there literally are doing it, then we don't want to be a part of their culture, right? To want more of what they have because we are learning, we're elevating. All right, so this is very good, and let's say compliments and the dances. The dances are incredible. His voice is incredible. His movement is also incredible. I never had seen nothing like this before. It's literally first time I'm seeing this. Trust me, it was very good, bro. And I mean, like the energy that is being using through the entire music, that was also golden, bro. I gotta say, Greece came more this year because even last year I was representing for Greece, and bro, trust me, Greece has dominated, and surprisingly, sadly, they has lost. They haven't won it. So hopefully this year around they can get the chance to showcase here that how talented they are, And all the best, Greece. I'm here to support y'all. Right? Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him her about me, Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you all around.